I would request our Honorable Health Minister to update the COVID-19 in the state of Meghalaya.
Till today, we have only 7 active cases, recovered 42, and the total active cases were 50. Then the number of persons tested negative till today, 29 June, is 18,657, and those testing sent for testing till today is 19,287. 19287. The waiting for the result and the reports are 580. Okay, then those people coming from outside the states, the entrance to a state of Meghalaya are 18823. So we have active cases, Eskasi Hills 4, Southwest Garo Hills 2, Ribhoi 1, total 7. The perlok ya ki latest update jongga COVID-19 for state of Meghalaya, borong idon sanpo, ki borong aktif kilong hinyo, teligi kes, ki belajem kilong saupu arngut, ki bala faates do benta, ki bayo negatif kilong khat prahajar, terus pak san penyo, but ki total of testing bagi bapa baru ban test do benta kilong khat kendai hajar, aspa prapenyo, kabangi dang ap iga result, dongga test kilong san spa prapo. But kitu bon fine sebab dengan state ado mentah kilong khat prajar praspa arfulai. Tekini kide ki break up jong ki positive cases support state Meghalaya, support East Coast Hills kidon South, Southwest Garo Hills kidon R, but hari boy iwe. Kini kide ki update jong COVID-19 support state of Meghalaya.
Sabere met ki BSF ki prangyo menyangon ke contact tracing la de. Lalu kanu kita di contact tracing close kan.
Wajib begini jong contact tracing. Kini nampak kadang jong ki BSF kadang ya shikmat halor kini. But nampak East Khasi Hills kepada jong district surveillance unit. Kini kadang ya shikmat nampak kini kilian na civilian side ki BSF pada kilian nampak ki forces side.
Kita ini cepat di pada nasional na kapot kontes. Maka ini biasa kalau mengatur proses transfer itu, terkadang di tempat, atau sekarang negara yang mati, bagi nonton juga frequent transfer yang itu hari korban dia, kulit.
Akbedai bat keneka frequent transfers that has happened till recently, be it the bank sectors, be it the paramilitary forces, or be it the offices of central government offices located in Meghalaya. See, today we had a review meeting, and then we decided today to request the government of India through MHA, through the Ministry of Home Affairs, to kindly keep it on hold the proposed transfer, because the situation in our state is not at all conducive. So that was the decision we taken today. We have already asked Chief Secretary to immediately send a letter to the Secretary of Ministry of Home Affairs immediately for upholding, as I said, for upholding the transfer or the proposed transfers of these personnel or officers, whatever.
So these BSF personnel who have tested positive, have they come to Shillong on transfer, or were they outside for other duties?
Some of them, in fact, they were on leave. Then they came back. Unfortunately, they got infected with the coronavirus. But one thing I would like to tell you, see, meeting after meeting by the government officials, by health department, with the concerned commanding officers whatever. Instruction has been given, and then not only instructions, even while entering the state, they have to come by the government offices, means arranged by the paramilitary forces themselves, and then while entering they have to also go for quarantine mandatorily. They have to go for quarantine. So see, right now in fact the spread is not that much because the contact also is very less, very slim. As I said to you, the moment they entered Meghalaya, because you know the system is already in place, be it even Chief Minister himself, he has to go for quarantine ultimately to make sure that spread does not take place. Okay, number 2. Today again we had a review meeting and few decisions were taken today in view of the prevailing situation that we have with our neighboring state. One decision we taken today, from tomorrow onwards, opening of shops right from Bernihat up to Rani side, near the airport, up to Rani, all along the roadside, which is interconnected with Assam, has to be closed down. That has to be closed down with effect from tomorrow onwards. And this decision we taken today, and also instruction has been issued to the Deputy Commissioner of Riboy District. Kabaar kapoin kabangi yasim menne haka review meeting galong ba ngisim ya karai ba yaki dukan nadu Bernihat kibadai marsenda bat ka Assam hadu hangtei harani kabadai katuka entry point jongi kaban mi syate syapo mairang lani kaban mi sya airport nila ai karai ba nadu lasai kasni kini kidukan baro ensakhang lut but kane ke jingkhang ka closure will take effective from tomorrow till 15 of July. Till 15 of July, it will be closed totally, and we leave it to the wisdom of the Deputy Commissioner to regulate further restrictions in these areas. Kata-kata kebentar kebaar, ngatrai belasai, kata-kata kebentar kebaar menyisip, bagi dukan borok nadu Bernihat ter-ter, kebadai bodar bat ka Assam, hadu harani, ngin kang no shwa, hadu ka katsantrik, jong uneu benai uban-wan, kata kamut hadu katsantrik, ubenai Julai arpo bat kani kejing lek kalong ban pentikna baki paitba jongi kinong snong jongi kinlong safe na kajingnya bit na uneu kenyang jingpang na mangitip ba kamtam ka sorkar Assam ya katu ka metropolitan area borokot kila lockdown totally namar ba kajingjur palat kajing spread jong uneu kenyang jingpang tengiru banyada ya kandi nilasim ni karai ban nadu lasai ngin khang no shwai gini kidukan baro ban ilaiti ba Deputy Commissioner inle ia kabadon kam nadu lasai kasni kata kadai kebenta kabaar kabangisim ya karai menehapo ka review meeting nang ta kabalai karai kabangisip. The third agenda that we taken today is relating to the interstate movement. Interstate movement, the decision we taken today again, interstate movement is still not allowed till 15 of July 2020. And that also it depends on the situation. If need be, we may further extend the movement of interstate in our state. So this is the decision number 3 that we taken today. Till 15 of July, interstate movement is still remain closed. And the last decision we taken today is relating to the transportation arranged by the government for our friends, students stranded in different parts of India. As you all aware, that from 11 of this month till tomorrow, transportation is being arranged by the government of Meghalaya, but from 11 it should be on payment basis. Until today, this mechanism is on, and now we again decided that transportation to be arranged by the government will continue till 15 of July 2020, but it should be on payment basis. It should be on payment basis. So these are the decisions we taken today. Kawai ka bang akwa ban pensyai hamne kalong ba ya kito ki kali ki ba ka sarkar ka penbek haduk menta kasngi haduk lasyai kasngi ban lechau yi kito ki kon samla ke jongi lani ki nong snong jong jelam Meghalaya jongi ki ba sa keleng saudong jong kari India habaki wan pai no sala ka jela la jong ngi la extend susu ba ya kani ke transportation ke government kandang penbek haduk ka khatsan terik ujulai snem arpau tang ba ki dei ban siu maki ya kabai kali kabakin wan pai sislong leni kabakiwan pai salaki jong ki district hapo jong ka jela Meghalaya jongi paro kawai to nang ta susu akabai dei bat ka interstate movement kabang iladep extend baro iskata te meneng la sim susu ikarai ba ka sarkar kan nempat sya bandon ke interstate movement hapo ke jela ke jongi lani ban le sabar jong ke jela ke jongi hadu ka khatsan terik jong ubnai Julai arpau kani rung isim ikarai hadin mengioi ba kadang bun ke jing kiu hakaliang jong kani ka case ka positive cases ka bajia bat ka jela ba marjan ke jongi hangte hapo Assam te kita kide kirai ki bengisim menta ka janmit haka review meeting ke jongi
ba sekolah ini jadi begini perspektifnya kalau mempaskan ba suku ba guru di sosial komoditi kalau mentang kami tunai kata alai tadi na Assam bulan Jul ane apa tinggal persiapan jadi kita di bawah Jul ya ini atau hari bulan Tato la soka kanja untuk ini nanti kandang yang dah di bawah tu belum di hari nan pada jual nama kandang yang dia tu
kani kan umdon jing itu ko nomor kini borok ki haka essential commodities komo bi ka interstate movement ngim patsya te henrei yaki katu kan ki sectors ngisya baki driver kin one room ban wan kit yaki mar ki mata le ni ban warra ro ki mar ki mata siapa ke jela ke jungi kata kelong very clear but kene ka system kadang yat kumju kumbadai ban yat tingim dei bersekutu beklai kata namar ba komo bi ka interstate movement ka bengi kham mentala along la kanu benai la slem ba tere kayat kumta bat ni ai ngidang extend shu komo bi hadu ka khasan trik ujulai bat kata rungin pe lada ka situation kampat sya kata kamut ke sarkar kanang pej biang lesing idang la ban extend susu na kabenta ke jingbit jing biang bat na ke jing song singan jong ki paj ba ke jela Meghalaya borokoi
poin ni long ni poin susu bagi sisa komunitas government to kasih di Banwan kasih di Banwan kemudian juga dia kata lagi jing ane long ba Sampai kalau di Taiwan dengan total lockdown.
ha
Jadi maupun dari luar jujur, udah bagi tuan bodoh jujur hal tu jaga. Udah kisah dari kisah untuk bandi ibu jom jadi.
ngam sutu ya ki kita gi juhur bawan asam
Maupun jaga.
hang no giwan
Ini parking lot Anjali.
parking lot Anjali parking lot Anjali kam dei ta ka parking lot Anjali ka dei ka bangi bu wholesale mangi ka bangut kinong rep jungi keleng saudong jong kari khasi jetia kin la wan hang te bat ki bawan kit ki dei na asam nrei ba pin ong ba kinong ra na asam chani kam dei ta
Masai dalam muda bahasa yang lama agri mungkin.
to kalong ing sapa bre la kalong ta namar ba komo pi ka intention jing bagi bu ya ka wholesale market temporary wholesale market ang te po Anjali padang tu hapo yo molong kadai na kabenta kitu ki nongrep ki jongi ki famous jongi ki bawan bu ki marep jongi hang tu nang ta pada ki sade ki sashim kitu ki wholesaler sya keleng ban supply kala belong sya asam kala belong keleng saudong ngimla ban batai kata namar katu ka yo ka syong ha ki jing start jongi
Sir, the Chief Minister had noted that locations in the Meghalaya bordering Guwahati, that is Burnihar, Jorhat and Khanapara will be under lockdown. What we understand from your briefing is that only the shops will be closed down. So is it like total lockdown or only the shops?
See, no. Don't get confused. Let me just tell you. As I said to you today in the review meeting, we decided that closure of shops, any shops, has to be closed down immediately, means starting from tomorrow, in view of the cases that keep increasing day by day in the entire metropolitan district, I should say, metropolitan district. So therefore, in view of that, because if we open up our shops, which is the other side of the road is Assam and the other side of the road is Meghalaya, if we open up, we are bound to get infection because these people they will come and buy from Meghalaya side. So once they buy things from Meghalaya, how do we control the spread of COVID-19? Therefore, not necessarily total lockdown. It is a lockdown because lockdown as of now, I think don't get confused. Lockdown is still on in Meghalaya. You need to understand, lockdown is still on except those areas where restriction is lifted. Okay, lockdown is still on, but only those relaxation where we made on daily basis. That's why we used to have a review meeting on daily basis to review what is to be done next day or after 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. So this is the thing.
As of now, it appears that the COVID cases in Meghalaya is very much under control. So what is the mind of the government on reopening of schools and colleges?
Right now, we are not thinking of reopening of the school immediately.
Hadir pada serta ramai di hotel, di homestay, di guest house. Is mungkin orang saya senang. Yang kita kita tahu di persiapan kita buat tapi kita respon pada di hotel di guest house pada homestay pada kaki hima kunci sana mau pulang dan gitu rajin.
Okay. Ngimde bersuatu berkelak away. Ngia katu kesengi ke bengi rai kalong tang ke hotel. Ke homestay no, guest house no, ki tourist spot no, ngi klempat syak. Tenrei ke bengi ngi paple kalong tangi ki hotel. Pi balai kali long kupta bengi paple ki hotel kalong hadir bengi yo ik inputs negi deputy commissioners ba per. Namar bateng don ki officials ki wan sheshlong na for example tura. Mentam bercakasu ya ki wat bersam nong no. You get a point? Mdon tek nek jaka begin sa. Kiwan la sen mta meeting ars ngi laiski. Where do they stay? They on that basis ngi sutu bagi try hotel rohangi sakipat kwa than ya kene bat ple. Ten rei nak mta convenient jong pak jong ngi gibre jong ngi. Ki bawan la sen tura ko bang pi ko na William Nagar. Ki bawan sekene ka jaka. Lani ki jong ngi ken le setai sepo tura. Te la se kin sa ang mdon jaka ban sa. Therefore, on that basis, but hadir mengi ya consult bat ki deputy commissioners ngi sarshim ya karai ba ya ka hotel, tang ya ka hotel, mdai ben ong ya ka homestay, mdai ben ong ya ka guest house bagi lapli. Tenang tak mo pi ya kan ni ka tourist spot, katur impat syak ban play namar ka feedback ka bangyo komong pi kolong ba ki bor snong ki bor thauru ki dang ting ki dang smith ki dang salia ban play ki ngi jaka hoi ki hotel class tu don hotel hai ki hotel tolong dei han nong bai kum hai slong le se hajuai na ta kum hatura like nang ta don ni ka hotel ki babon ni senong kondong chung dei ki homestay
So, what the Busharian have been able to Saka Shekusa, what a son.
ho
If you don't come and come,
ho
you can buy the real can get the Shaka.
kalong kom ni pi komong ong ye pi ong bengi sya be ngong pi ka lockdown is still on number 2 ka curfew ru kadon then number 3 balai bengi ong bengin kangi kini kidukan borok ki badon hakini ki road rock ki bahap border bat ka Assam ka daw kolomba menta hapok Guwahati proper ladep lockdown te ladang ngin play nga ong pi itu ki babon ki wan tet tin oi sene te ban avoid ye kata ngi ong bangiru ngapan close down ni ki shop seberkhoj nomor semla close down ki num yo asu banon tet e ndon e te banon tet bapinwan ya kai ru umsha nang ta ma pi ki bor snong ki bor thaur ki don lai jongi bor jongi halaki snong ki snong bakim sha bani rum bani mi kluj la ne ban chue ya ye yen kum ta kuma kum mujulong ka normal life kan sha
Since lockdown is going to end tomorrow, what is the plan of the government, like whether we will have lockdown in certain pockets or in the entire state?
I think I already replied. I said lockdown is on, but further relaxation also is on. So both sides of the coins goes together side by side. It goes together. That's what I'm saying. Lockdown is still on. Legally speaking, logically speaking, lockdown is still on.
I'm looking for the universal testing of the people residing on the interstate border. Are you exploring the option?
Come again?
Going for universal testing of people residing on the interstate border.
See, in fact, for this issue, if we get any proposal from the district vigilance committee headed by the deputy commissioner, if we get any recommendation by them, government is always there to help them out.
Yes, sir. The thing is that lockdown will end tomorrow, and you said that lockdown is still on, so we are not getting a clear picture.
That till such time when the situation is improved, we will come out with a proper notification. But right now, as I said to you, legally speaking, lockdown is still on. Because in the entire state, I think you knew well, even the deputy commissioner, they is still promulgating the night curfew every day.